Here it is, opening bell. These contracts were $14. They closed at $12.30. Now, SMF, Professional Options Market Maker, always gets hit down in the wholesale bid. So when the public was buying at 14, we were buying down here. And another thing is, with the SMF Market Maker platform, we had a huge confirmation. The current level is
48%.
going to be holding half bar. So this is going to be the half bar right there, and that's going to be 528.26. And it's just that simple. And that's just how this platform is. I got a 0.24, 0.47. Now it's almost a half delta. So 2.4 and higher, then we're going to hold this price action level between the public. So we got the gap, we got the 3, we got the 6, the 9, and then that SMF Market Maker action buy action bar
48%.
taking a light entry though. Taking a light entry here at $13 at that time. $12.40 hit the low. Retail high was 14, closed at $12.30. We're always buying down here below the market. Look at how wide that bid and ask is. Bid me another contract at $12.70. That's the time to be buying at the half bar. See if they'll throw it off. It's 30. Now you tightened it. Tighten it right there. Now you're buying wholesale. Take a look. What is that spread? Looks like 60 pennies. So if you're adding 60 pennies and they're following you over here, there you go.
You got hit.
Now you got 2. It's all right. So you as a market maker, if you wanted to sell them all, you could just jump right there at 13.20 with the limit order out, and hey, you'd be making a market. We do have a small reversal. We need to hold above 25 here. But the nice thing about this entry is that because we're reversing, throw these out at 13.10 now and see if someone will pay it, all 3. All right?
No, they cut in front of 13.
Well, all right. Well, let's, on the opening bell, what you'll do is you're still elevated over here. You're 0.11. See how we fell here from 2.4 down? Now we just popped to 1.7 here. So basically, when this kind of volatility is going, just throw yourself out in line at 13.10 so that when we do get an uptick, you could cancel all.
I'm out there. 13.10. They cut in front at 12.90.
Right. You're going to have a 50 penny, 70 penny wide bid and ask always. So the thing about it is you already have a reasonable entry based on the market maker platform. IR, your 0.12 you fell from. See, here's the key of why the option came down is because of this right here. This was at 0.24 coming already down off of 0.47. So when we got to 0.11, that's how this bar formed. And as that green bar was, or the red bar was taken out, that green bar price action, that's when we started dropping the bids, and they got wide like a Grand Canyon between the buyer and the seller. But you as a SMF market maker knows that we've started the process, and the exposure
coming down to 6%, 12.10 by 60.
Okay. Well, we'll bid some more contracts down at the bottom. So just hang tight. You have one order out to sell. You have to use a different market maker, though, to put another limit order out to buy as we come down, and we failed the 3-minute, but we always buy them because sometimes they take off and they never come back. So we're going to come down in here and we're going to consolidate this high right here.
NASDAQ's breaking up.
I'm hearing, what did you guys say?
100% on
NASDAQ
the
and
comp.
NASDAQ 100 are breaking higher.
Oh, nice.
100% on the comp. VXN's at 0.
All right, and here's that price action. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to scale the lower end of this entry right here now. And this is all done live, people. Right now, this live gap, the pullback, the buy action bar, and the SMF platform, which is a market
12.20
maker
by
platform.
60.
We got to go higher here. We're not going higher on the ratio. So this is a problem for Google Pacific, is that this 0.5 better be the low of the day, and it better start ticking up that way at this price action. 7, we need to get back above 15, and 25, we need the big spikes like we had here.
12.10 by 60.
Bar. All right, we'll scale the lower end. The 270 still holds on the 530 call, by the way. And this is all live entry and action on how to make a market at this current strike price.
Google
High was
0.
14. We're bidding in on the lower end. 12.18 is there's one contract
5% on Google.
traded only.
2
2 at 270.
Yeah, that's a good bid because $5 is the high over here. So
Google new low.
new low at
12
0.
by 1220. 1190 by 1220.
All right. Go 3 more if you have the buying power at 11.4. Because we're
On
at
3.
3.
Yep.
Yes, and that will
I have
give
2
you,
total.
I understand.
Okay.
But we
11
want to buy
at 3.
more at the lower end of the bottom at that wholesale bid. That's where the volume increase comes in. See, most people don't understand when to increase the volume. And the volume
at 1.
increase is always at the wholesale price. So you always increase your volume on entry then. Because what it does is it balances out your dollar
1160 by 12.
cost risk management trade. And it does it very clearly. So we'll come back and visit that. We got bids out
Made
here.
a new low of 280 on the.
All right.
there.
Hey, cancel the 270 bid and drop
Cancel.
drop it down now to 2.40 right here. So you
Done.
were already wholesale. If they would have hit you, you would have been the low of the day.
1160 by
Because it's not
1180.
changing around. We're at 0. So we got to drop the bids. This
Okay,
bid over
done.
here.
1150 by 1180.
All right. You need to go 1110 on this bid, sir, for now.
Got it. 1110 on 3. Confirm.
That's right.
1150 by 1180. 5%.
So you're 1140 by 1180, and we're weak here, and we went negative ratio 12. Look what's happening here in our market maker platform down at the bottom of this live entry. So trying to buy that call wholesale. So when the short side, the put side of the market's printing that way, this
Another
side's
low of
losing its
260.
value. All right, drop your order down to 2.10, sir.
1130 by 60.
Keep this one here at
Okay.
1110. Yeah, until we're made. We're not. there's
1130
not-
by 70.
Nothing
Zero.
says we're made here, and this is all live here right now. As the equity, Google is falling in price, we're going to capture the wholesale price from off of this high.
1130 by
That's
60.
$14. We're going to get down here around that 1110 area.
2%.
And we'll
Zero.
be wholesale to the market, so then when Google goes back up, we sell it to the public for a profit. That's what
1130 by
SMF
1160.
Market Maker is.